Hello. Today I'm just going to show you how to quickly make a random number generator in Python. So it's very easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run Python from the terminal and we'll get cracking. So here we go. Python 3. This will work with Python 3 or Python 2. So first what we need to do is import the random module. Then to generate a random number, all you need to do is type in random.randint, and in brackets you need to give it two arguments. The first one needs to be the lowest number you want to start it looking to generate, and the next one you want to give it the highest number. So for this one I'm going to give it a 1 and a 6. So for this we can say that it's generating a random number to simulate a dice roll from a normal d6. So if I press enter, that will return a 5. Now I could also up the numbers. So for all you Dungeons and Dragons fans out there, you may have had to use a d20, so that's 20-sided dice for those of you who don't play it. So we'll just give it a 1 and a 20. Enter, and this one will generate a random number from 1 to 20. Now if you want it to also generate 0, your minimum number, just give it 0 as your starting number. But remember, it will generate 21 different possible values as opposed to 20, so just be aware of that. Now you could take this a step further if you wanted to. So as you can see here, all I'm doing is pressing up on the keyboard to give my last command that I gave it, and then I'm just pressing enter again, and just adjusting the values to what I need. But let's see, for example, you want to make things a little bit easier. You could actually create a function to roll a d6 and a function to roll a d20 and make it a bit easier. So your function for a d6 would look something like this. So find function d6, brackets, colon, enter, tab, and then you want print, because we want to print out the results of this, random.randint, brackets, and this is the d6 function, so I'm just going to do this. So this is going to print whatever random.randint and these two parameters returns. So that looks good. So enter, and then enter again, and that's defined. Now if I type in d6 and brackets, and we get our random results again. Now if I just move this over to the right, if you want to go for extra credit, this is what a very basic and very simple dice rolling app would look like here. So you can see, let me just move this out of the way a little bit. You can see here what the import random and the define functions. This one in particular will have two functions, so you've got a d6 and a d20 function, and to roll a d6 you just have to type in d6 followed by the brackets, or a d20 is just d20 with the normal brackets. So yeah, I used this recently for a competition I ran. I used it to generate the winners for it. So it's just something that's helpful for little things here and there. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful for you, and thanks for watching.